Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 17, and we're diving into the powerful world of regular expressions, also known as regex. In this video, we'll cover an introduction to regex, pattern matching and searching, and using regex for string manipulation. Ready to decode the mysteries of text processing? Let's get started. Let's start with an introduction to regex. Regular expressions are sequences of characters that define a search pattern, primarily used for string matching. In Python, we use the re module to work with regex. Here's how you can import it. Regex can be daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable tool. Let's look at a basic example. In this example, D is a regex pattern that matches one or more digits in the text. reFindAll returns all matches of the pattern in the text. Next, let's talk about pattern matching and searching. Regex allows you to perform complex searches in strings. Here's how you can search for patterns in text. The research function searches the string for a match to the pattern and returns a match object. The group method of the match object returns the part of the string where there was a match. You can also use rematch to check if the pattern matches at the beginning of the string. Finally, let's explore how to use regex for string manipulation. Regex can help you perform substitutions, splits, and more. Here's an example of replacing text using regex. The resub function replaces all matches of the pattern with the specified replacement string. You can also use regex to split strings. The resplit function splits the string at each match of the pattern, returning a list of substrings. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to the world of regular expressions in Python. You've learned the basics of regex, pattern matching and searching, and how to use regex for string manipulation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 18. Keep coding.